Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Biology Hai Easy, where learning is fun, and myself Sanhita Sarkar. Today we are going to discuss about chapter number 5 of class 1 EVS textbook, and the name of the chapter is My Pets and Their Homes. So let's see the learning objectives. After completion of this chapter, a child will be able to understand that all pet animals need a place to live in, as we all live in a house because our house protects us from cold, heat, rain, and from other animals, as well as from various kinds of natural calamities like cyclones and earthquakes. Similarly, pet animals also need a safe place to live in. Why? Because they need to protect themselves from heat, cold, rain, other animals, and sometimes humans also. So, like there are some animals which can hurt our pet animals, and human beings also hit them with stones or beat them with sticks also. So that is why they need a safe place where they can live. After that, a child will be able to understand the names of animals' home. So here you will get to know about what is the name of the home of a dog, what is the name of the home of a hen, and the last thing you will be able to understand is how to take care of pet animals. So students, as you take care of yourselves, and whenever you fall ill, you go to visit a doctor. Similarly, whenever your pet animals are not feeling well and like they are ill, so you have to take them to their doctor. So in this chapter we will be discussing about these points only. So let's begin our chapter. I have a pet dog named Bosky. So here you can see a boy. He is holding a dog, and the name of this dog is Bosky. When I return home from school, Bosky runs to me and wags her tail. So whenever a dog is happy, they express their happiness by wagging their tail. She is my best friend. So Bosky is the best friend of this boy. We all love and take care of her. So it is our duty to love our pet animals and to take care of them. Next is, my friends also love to keep different pet animals. So friends of this boy, there are many friends of this boy who love to keep different types of pet animals. As for example, the name of one friend is Alicia, and she has a green parrot. So this is Alicia, and you can see a green parrot here. She is giving this parrot red chili, as parrots loves to eat chilies. Now this is Shubho, and he is holding a pet cat, and here you can see Firoz, and she has colorful fishes. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 colorful fishes. She keeps them in an aquarium. So you can see this is an aquarium, and it is a glass container filled with water, some pebbles, and also some water plants. Now here is a task given to you. Can you keep a tiger as your pet? So you have to answer this question. I have already answered it. No, because it is a wild animal, and we all know that wild animals lives in a jungle. Discuss your answers with your friends. So students, what you can do is that you can discuss the answers with your friends. Name 4 more animals which cannot be kept as pets. So you have to write down the name of 4 animals whom you cannot keep as pets. So here I have written tiger, fox, wolf, giraffe. All these animals are wild animals. These are not domestic animals, and you cannot keep them as pets also. Now let's talk about animal homes. All animals need a home to live in. So as I have already told you, we live in a house because it protects us from various things. Similarly, pet animals also need a safe place to live in. They need to protect themselves from heat, cold, rain, other animals, and sometimes humans. Some humans catch them and kill for their flesh or skin. So there are some human beings who catch these pet animals and kill them for their flesh or skin, and even there are some naughty child in our locality who beat the street dogs, who hurt these street dogs by throwing stone at them. So this is very bad. So in this way, we can understand that these animals also need a safe place. Some keep them in a circus to make money. Now, what is a circus? It is a place where animals are used to entertain people. So here, the master, they train different types of animals to perform certain types of tasks which will entertain the audience. We keep animals in following homes. Now here you can see there are the homes of different animals. So what I have done, I have highlighted the name of the animal and the home where they live. So we keep a dog in a kennel. So students, you can underline dog and kennel. So you can see here a cute white dog is there and it is living inside a kennel. We keep a horse in a stable. So underline horse and stable. You can see a horse and the home of a horse is known as stable. Here we can see there are 3 colorful fishes in an aquarium. So fish lives in an aquarium. The home of a fish is an aquarium. Now here you can see a white cow and it is living inside a shed. So the place where a cow lives is known as shed. We keep pigs in a sty. So this is a pig and it is living inside a sty. We keep a hen in a coop. So here you can see 2 hens and it is inside a coop. Now these are not the natural homes of animals. Let's talk about natural homes of animals. So the first one is 2 fishes and we all know that machli jal ki rani hai. They live in water bodies like river, pond and sea. So this is their natural home. Natural home of a fish is water bodies like river, pond and sea. Tortoises. Here you can see 2 tortoises and they can live both on land and in water. Like they are comfortable to live inside water and on land also. Now here you can see a white rabbit and it lives in a burrow. So a burrow is like a tunnel. So these rabbits dig the soil deep and then they live inside it. Fourth animal is lion. Okay. So he is also known as king of the forest and he lives in a den. We all know that monkey lives on a tree, not in a. Here you can see green leaves of this tree and this is the branches of that tree and a monkey is here. Bees live in a hive. So we can see 2 bees are here and this is their home which is known as beehive or hive. So what you have to do, you have to underline the name of the animals and their natural homes as I have done it. Now let's move on to the next part, how to take care of our pets. So students, as you take care of yourselves, you have to take care of your pet animals also, because every living creature fall ill or every living creature have some basic needs and you have to provide them with these basic needs. So the first basic need is food and water. So we must provide them good food to eat and clean water to drink. So you have to provide your pet animals with good and healthy food items and clean water to drink. The second point is we must clean them and also clean their homes regularly. So you must have seen that you bath every day to keep yourself clean and fresh, as well as you mop the floors of your house. Okay, then you clean your house with the help of broomstick. So why you are cleaning your homes and why you are cleaning yourselves? So that the place where you live, it is also neat and clean and you are also clean. If you live in a clean and what can I say? If you live in a clean or if you live in a fresh, clean place, so you will not fall ill. जैसे कि हम खुद को भी साफ रखेंगे और जहाँ पर हम रहते हैं उस जगह को भी साफ रखेंगे ताकि हमें किसी तरह की असुविधा ना हो, हम बीमार ना पड़े. The third point is we should take our pets to a veterinary doctor when they fall ill. So whenever we fall ill, we visit a doctor. Similarly, if your pet animals are ill or if they are not feeling well, you should take them to a veterinary doctor. So these are the duties that you have to follow to take care of your pet animals. What is the first duty? You have to feed them. So here you can see a boy feeding its pet rabbit, and rabbit loves to eat carrots. Here is a girl. She is also feeding the fishes inside the aquarium. Here the veterinary doctor is treating this dog as he or she is ill. Here a man is cleaning the cow shed because it has become dirty and it is necessary to clean the place where we keep our pet animals. And here a girl is giving bath to her dog. So these are the duties you have to follow if you are keeping pet animals with yourself. We play with our pets. So we all play with our pets. They also love to be with us. Our pet animals are very happy and they also love to be with us because they are our best friends. So we both love each other and we both love to be with each other. There are some wild animals also which can be trained and kept as pet animals like elephants, monkeys, cheetahs, snakes, etc. So there are some wild animals like elephants, monkeys, cheetahs and snakes that can be trained so as to keep them as pet animals. So here you can see an elephant, elephant. Then here you can see cheetah with its master. So cheetahs are used to entertain audiences in a circus. Here you can see a snake and a snake charmer, sap or sapera. Monkey with its master, madari or bandar. Now let's move on. Did you know? क्या तुम्हें पता है? Some animals like dinosaurs, dodo birds used to live many years ago. So there are animals which used to live many years ago and now they are not alive. Like not a single creature of that species is alive now. Why? Because they have become extinct. And what is the name of these two animals? These are dinosaurs and dodo birds. They all are died, but now we don't find them. Even now, some animals are in danger. Nowadays also, there are some animals which are in danger, as for example, tiger. If we don't take care of them, they also will die very soon. So, it is very clear that we should take care of our pet animals as well as we have to take care of the wild animals that are living in the jungle. We have to protect them from poaching, hunting, etc. Because these practices only are responsible for their lesser numbers, as well as we have to treat them when they are ill. So it is our duty to keep these animals alive and not killing them for our needs. That is why there are some strict rules against hunting and poaching. Now let's focus on the keywords from this chapter. The first word is kennel, a house where dogs are kept. Stable, a wooden house where horses are kept. Aquarium, a house made of glass and water for fishes to live in. Shed, a house where cows are kept. Burrow, house of rabbits. Coop, a house where hens are kept. Hive, bees make a hive to live in. So here you can see the name of the home where different types of animals live. So you have to remember these keywords. Now let's focus on the things to remember. These are the important points from this chapter. All animals need a home to live in. So this is very obvious. We also need a house to live in. Similarly, all the animals need a home to live in. Second point is they need to protect themselves from heat, cold, rain, other animals and sometimes human beings also. So it is very clear from this chapter that why our pet animals or the animals that live in a jungle, they need to protect themselves, because like a safe place like their home will protect them from heat of the sun, cold of winters, rain, other dangerous animals, and sometimes human beings also. We take care of our pet animals, so it is our duty to take care of our pet animals. Now let's solve some exercise questions. What you have to do, you have to tick the correct options of each questions given here. So the first question is, a cat's baby is called a, and the answer is C, kitten. So tick next to option C. Question number 2, a dog's house is called a, so students, you tell me. Yes, it is kennel. So you have to tick next to option B, kennel. Question number 3, a shed is where a dash lives. Yes, students, you are right. The correct option is option A, cow. So tick next to option A, cow. Question number 4, a monkey lives on a, and this is very easy question, and the answer is option C, tree. So tick next to option C. And the question number 5 is, a hive is where dash live. So we all know that bees lives in a hive. So the correct answer is option A. So you have to tick next to option A. Question number B, match the following. So here you can see in the left column there are names of animals, and in the right column there are names of their homes. So you have to match the correct animal with their correct home. So kennel, it is a home of a dog. So you will write down 2 here. Then you will write down 5 next to coop, because in the 5th number we can see hen here. Then you will write down 4 next to burrow. A rabbit lives in a burrow. That is why we have to write down 4 here. Then stable, a horse lives in a stable. So write down 6 here. Cow lives in a shed. So write down 1 here. And bees lives in a hive. So write down 3 here. Now the question number C is, answer the following. So you have to write down your answer in complete sentences. Let's see the questions. Question 1, why do animals need home? So the answer is very simple. Animals need home because it protects them from cold, heat, rain, other animals, and sometimes human beings. Question number 2, where does Firoz keep her fishes? Answer 2, Firoz keep her fishes in an aquarium. Question number 3, name 2 animals which cannot be kept as pets. So you can write down the name of 2 wild animals which you cannot keep as pet. So here I have written tiger and lion. You can write down the name of any 2 animals. Question number D is high order thinking skill. So the first question is, which animal would you like to keep as a pet? Here I have written dog because I love dogs. Feed it with dash and dash. So you will feed your pet dog with what? With milk, as they love to drink milk, and meat. They love to eat meat also. Make a dash for it. So the home of a dog is known as kennel. So you will write down kennel here. Now there are some questions under life skills. Let's see these questions. My pet dog is Bosky. Suddenly she fell sick. What am I supposed to do? So someone is asking that her pet dog is Bosky and she suddenly fell sick. So what she is supposed to do? So what is the answer? You should take your pet dog Bosky to a veterinary doctor for her treatment. What you have to do? You have to take your dog to the doctor for her treatment. I will take care of her by giving her. Now every living organisms have some basic needs. So what you have to do, if your pet dog is sick, you will have to take care of her by giving her, first one is food, second is water, and the third one is shelter. Shelter means home. So you can write down home in place of shelter also. Let's move on. Here is an individual activity. Let's see what is written here. Birds are also our colorful friends. So you might have observed different types of birds having different colored feathers, right? You can see eagle, kite, vulture, parrot, sparrow, crow. Okay, so there are many types of birds and all of them have different colors. So what you have to do, you have to take two bowls. You will take two bowls. One should be filled with rice or other grains. So in one bowl you will fill it with rice or any other type of grains, and other with water. And in the second bowl you will fill it with water. Keep them outside your house. Now you can place these two bowls outside your house or on your terrace. To your utter surprise, you will observe from distance that birds come, eat grain and drink water. So you will be surprised to see that birds are coming to your terrace or outside your house to eat the grains and drink water. So students, you can do this activity. By doing this, you are helping these birds. Let's move on to second activity. Find out who I am. Join the dots and color me. So this activity is very easy. You know the counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What you have to do, you have to join the dots. So you will draw one line from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and in this way you will get a picture of which animal? Yes, you are correct. This is a dog. So you can color it. I haven't colored it, but you have to color it also. So you can color it the way you want it. Now fill in the blanks. So using this picture as a cue, you have to fill in the blanks. Choose the words from the given box. So here you can see there are 6 words given here. Using these words, you have to fill in the blanks, and you have to think this picture also in order to fill in these blanks. First question is, I am a dash. So here is a picture of dog. So this is a dog. My baby is called a dash. So baby of a dog is known as puppy. So you will write down puppy here. I drink dash. So in this words list, there is only one item which is which is favorite for a dog. I drink milk. I eat bread. When I am happy, I wag my dash. So as I have already told you that whenever a dog is happy, they express their happiness by wagging their tail. Question number 6 is, I love my master a lot. So every dog loves his or her master. They are very much loyal to their master because the master provides them with food, water, shelter. So in return, they show their loyalty towards their master. With this, I think we completed this chapter. Yes, we have completed chapter number 5. Students, if you enjoyed this lesson, so you can motivate me by hitting the like button. And if you feel the content of my video is good, so you can share my video with your friends also. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel Biology Hai Easy, where learning is fun. Meet you all in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning in a fun and easy way with Biology Hai Easy.